Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can limit people from seeing your past post on Facebook. So this is a pretty cool feature considering there are a lot of stalkers out there and you pretty much want to get rid of them. You don't want them to see your old posts. So I'll show you how you can do that. Now, first and foremost, make sure that you head over to the menu option at the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and click it and go to settings and privacy and then click settings. Now you're going to want to go down to preferences, and then after preferences it's going to be audience and visibility. Now here, go ahead and click on post, and then here you could see limit who can see past posts. Click on view, and then you could have the option here to just limit past posts. So all you have to do is click it, and then it says right here you're about to limit all past posts on your timeline. The only way to undo this will be to change the audience of each post one at a time. So keep that in mind. If you're ready for that, click the limit post button and I'll go ahead and enable it for you. So that's how you go ahead and set up limit past post on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, and I will see you all for the next one.